Everyone, this is the Kindergarten Home Learning Plan tutorial. As you can see on our schedule, we have the morning meeting time, phonics letter sounds, math, reading, and enrichment. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week, we completed our SOS packets. Thursday and Friday, you can see our schedule for each day. These blue words are embedded links that you can click that will take you to the page. So we're going to go over Thursday right now. Thursday for kindergarten, you would start with the pledge. When you click the link, it takes you straight to the YouTube page showing you the pledge. Then you have links that take you to the days of the week, which is also a YouTube page.
Music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
And a video about bees. Each of these links are clickable for every day. You can find these home learning plans on our School Dojo page, our school website, and the Weirton Elementary Facebook page.